Yeah, so when you think about IT transformation in general, when we talked about this before, it's people, it's process, and it's technology. The technology exists, whether it's Splunk or AWS or OpenShift, and the technology's there. The process is there. DevOps has been around for a while. I think the challenge that we're facing now is a people challenge. We talked a lot about culture here, but I see two things going on from a people side. One is that people call it the silver tsunami of people exiting the workforce, right, where they're retiring, and so how do you backfill all the people that wrote the COBOL code for the SSA, and how do you modernize it? We talk about modernizing applications, but what about the people that wrote those applications and put them in there in the first place, right? Then there's the second part of it of who is you're passing the baton on to the next generation, where you have millennials, right? And we could spend probably a whole show just talking about millennials and trying to psychoanalyze this, but the thing is that millennials want to make a meaningful impact beyond just getting a paycheck. They want to make a difference in the world, and I think the future is bright there, where you have the mission sells for a lot of agencies, where people they want to go out and they want to change the world, and so many of the agency missions are really, really compelling. The other thing is that ties in with this is that you look at DevOps, you look at cloud technology, where it's all open source is all over the place there, and that's what people are learning in schools, and that's also something I think millennials would embrace, the next generation workforce, because not only do they want to make an impact in the organization they're working for, they want to make an impact worldwide, where things like the work at GSA and 18F, where they're open sourcing so much of their code, and it's not just about 18F or GSA, it's making the government a better place and the world a better place.
Excellent.